Hi everyone, Mayank here and welcome to the Mayank course. Today we are going to talk about a very common question a new beginner, a new programmer asks this question, and this question might arouse in their mind, that is what is programming and how we going to start with it. So as a beginner, when I am a beginner, I generally get this type of question when I'm going to start the new programming language or the career in my programming language. So before starting the video, like this video which gives inspiration us to make more videos and make content for you and helps channels to grow, and subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel. So without wasting any time, let's get in the video. So first of all, we talk about what is programming. We must know the meaning of the programming. So basically the short answer of the programming is a language that convey a computer to perform any action. Let's suppose we have to walk from position A to position B in own language, like we speak Hindi or English or any other language. The computer doesn't understand that language anymore. Computer understands only in binary language, that is zero and ones form. But we as a human, we don't know zero and ones for language. So we have a medium in it between computer and between us. We have a medium, that is language, that can be CS, C++, Java, JavaScript, Ruby, Perl, Python, etc. and etc. But wait, you don't have to learn all of this. You just focus on one language. It can be C++, Java, which is the most popular used in all over the tech world. All the big companies like Google, Apple, Microsoft, all the big companies mostly use C++, Java for their performance. But as a placement perspective, you don't need to have a restriction on any of the language. You can learn C++, Java, Python, because the recruiter taking your interview will be more focusing on the problem solving skills of you. You can solve any problem in C++, same problem in Java, same problem in Python. Difference in syntax and other classes. After learning a language, we have to start practicing problem. First, we have to learn the basics of the problem, that is condition statement, switch statement, and all the basic function, how the function perform. After learning basic, we have to go to some website like HackerRank. It is a basic website for the new vibe. You can practice some problems here, and after that you come to know how the questions being performed in logic, how to build logic. After 1 month or 1.5 month, you are able to solve easy question. After, you have to do some advance of language, that is OOPS, that is object oriented programming. This is the core of any language. After learning OOPS, you have to perform medium type of question, same from HackerRank. After you spending 3 to 4 months in any of the language, learning a language after solving a questions. So what do you have to do? You have to jump to some other website, like it can be CodeChef, CodeForces, LeetCode. This is the premium website, but you can access it for also for free. Here you can find various type of question. It also happens that you not able to solve any of them. Don't lose your confidence. This is just a beginning. The curve goes up and down and up and down. After solving hacker, you have the confidence that you can solve. But in CodeChef, CodeForce, your confidence must be low. Don't worry. You just have to go practice and practice. After learning language and building your logics, in the next step is making projects. Projects can be in web development, Android, in machine learning, in AI. You can also use AI for making your project, because when you make a resume, the project shows your skills, how what are your skills are performing. So you can learn web development. We talk, if we talk in this video about every of these web development, Android and machine learning, the video will length will be becoming so long, so I don't want to handle me much more. So we talk this in another video. There is different video for web development, this is different video for Android and all of that. So so this is the basic of the programming we have talked about. In further videos we talk about every thing we in detail we in which we talk about in this video. Do you like this video? Comment down what is the best thing you like, and if you watch till now, comment down I watched it, and it give me insights how many people watching my video till end. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.